this video I want to show you how to make corrections on your NIN slip, or simply put, what to do if you discover a mistake or mistakes on your name slip or name card, that is national identity card or national identity card slip. Before we start, I just want to tell you three things to take note. Number one, do not panic. You don't need to panic. Panic has never solved anything. That is why you are here in the first place. Secondly, I'd like you to subscribe. Pause this video, subscribe to this channel. You like it and you share it. Thirdly, well, you have to watch the video. So, if you discover that there is a mistake on your slip, what you do is you open your browser. I don't know if you are using a mobile phone or a desktop computer. It doesn't matter. Just open your browser. Go to Remeter, Remeter.net. That's the first step. You go to Remeter. The truth is, this NIN people, they know that mistake is inevitable, so they made provision for correction. So if you make any mistake on your slip, you are going to pay for it. Yes, that is the truth. Make mistake, but it's possible to correct any mistake that you have made on your name slip. The mistake might be coming from you or from the person that registered you. That's even more painful, but the truth is you have to pay to make the necessary correction, and you can do it from the comfort of your home by going on Remeter. You simply go on Remeter. When you type Remeter.net, this is what you see. Remeter.net, you see all the options here. This is the one you click, pay TSA and state. This is the one you click, pay TSA and state. You click it. Then you pay federal government. You are paying straight to the federal government. You click the first option here. It is very important that you do it this way, or else you'll be paying a lot of money if you go direct to all these registration centers. These guys, they extort money, they overcharge you, they do all sorts of things. But if you are doing it online, you simply make your payment, take the receipt to them. They cannot reject the receipt. So this is what you see. So what do you want to pay? You simply type NIMC. When you type NIMC, this will fly out, National Identity Card Management Commission. You click on it. Name of service or purpose. What are you paying for? Okay, come here. The card reissuance. This one is if you have done your registration, everything is correct, then you lost your slip, you just go for the reissuance. You click on it. The amount to pop up here, this is reissuance, it's 5,000. Then there's another option here. Then you fill in this information, your name, your phone number. Remember to fill the same name you have on the slip, and the phone number and the email. This one is correction of date of birth. The second one is correction of date of birth. As you can see, the official rate is 15,000. When you proceed with this payment, they are going to add VAT, which will result in around 15,000 something, or just budget 16,000. This is the official rate. You pay with your card or you simply print out the invoice and take it to the bank to make payments. You pay, then you take the receipt to the closest registration center, and they will effect the changes. We have other correction here. This is modification of any other field other than date of birth. So you click here. Okay, actually this is the one I was looking for. This is you know, if you modify your name, for instance, there's no way you modify your name and they will not reprint the slip for you. So it applies. You modify your name, correction of name, 500. They will issue you another slip. So this one is, the first one here is card, while this one is slip. So that's how to go about it. This is where you click to make correction of name, like the heading says the modification of any other field, like your name and other things. This is where you pay 500, and then you fill in your name exactly the way it appears. Let me break this space down. If you are correcting your name, what you type here is the correct name, the new name you want to use here. If there was a mistake in the first slip, you are not going to repeat the same mistake here. So you type your name as you want it to appear. That is in the case of correction of name. But if you want to just reprint your slip, you type your full name the way it appeared in the other one. Here you fill in your phone number and you put your email here. Anywhere you see these dots is compulsory, you can't leave it blank. And when you are done, you click not a robot and then you submit. That is it. If you have any question, feel free to drop a comment, or you can chat me on WhatsApp. My WhatsApp number, I'm going to drop my WhatsApp number in this video. Okay, thanks for watching. Kindly like, share, and most importantly, subscribe. Bye bye.